Hey, what's up everybody? It's Clean Car Chris. Today I'll be doing a ceramic coating on this beautiful Porsche Taycan 4S. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the vibes.
And black coat.
Guys, after that initial rinse, I did a little APC spray down here on the lower panels just to get rid of some of the grime, and after we rinse that off, and now we're gonna do the wheels. Ounces of the Adams strip wash. So we're gonna foam up the Porsche now just to take off any existing waxes or sealants that are on the paint, or to actually assist taking off. So we're gonna foam it up and then rinse and then go in with our contact wash. Now that we just rinsed off the Adams strip wash, now we're gonna hit it with the 2-bucket method contact wash and then rinse.
And black coat.
Alright, now we're complete with the 2-bucket contact wash. So while the vehicle is still, I just rinsed it, so while the vehicle is still wet, I'm gonna spray it down with Car Pro Iron X. Do a little chemical decon for the paint. When this interacts with the paint, it pulls the iron particles out of the paint. It usually reacts with a purple color, but being that this vehicle is black, we're probably not gonna see the reaction, but we're just gonna go ahead and just do a light spray around the vehicle and then rinse off. just hit it with the iron decon, rinsed it off, and now we're gonna clay bar the car, foam it one more time, rinse it, and then dry it off, pull it in here in the shop, and we get prep going for polishing and then laying down the coating. Let's do it. Clay bar time. Alright, this is the mechanical decon stage. Like I said before, you gotta make sure you got a lot of lube. And you just rub it like this until you feel the paint. You might feel a little rough, that's normal. And then you feel it eventually smoothing out. And then that way you know the clay bar is picking up some of the dirt and it's doing its job. So I went around the car with the light clay bar. Everything seems good. The paint seems real smooth and nice. It's just those lower panels I was talking about earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with a little bit more aggressive clay bar. Take care of those areas on those two panels, and then we'll be done with the clay. Use the blower and blow out some of the cracks and crevices and everything, the rims. Now we're gonna pull it into the shop, put it under the lights. Now that the paint is clean, we can check out which imperfections we can take care of. We're gonna get ready for the polishing stage. We're just gonna do a one-step paint enhancement on the vehicle. It's not gonna take out all the defects, but we'll take out minor swirls, scratches. Like I said, it's a one-step paint enhancement, and then after that we're gonna do the IPA wipe down and then get ready to do the coating. Okay, great. After a light polish, I did about 2 light passes here, all the remaining contamination and buildup that was along the paint here. You know, a little earlier the clay bar took off, you know, quite a bit, but after 2 light passes with the Kosh Chemi microcut light polishing pad, smooth as butter. I'm sure the customer's gonna be very happy. after the polishing step, I'm gonna do the IPA wipe down. That's alcohol wipe down to wipe off any remaining polished residue that's on the vehicle. Just to make sure the paint is super clean, squeaky clean. All right, the IPA wipe down is done. As you can see, the Porsche is looking absolutely fabulous. The paint is prepped and ready for coating. Today I'm going to be applying Geon Can Coat Evo. It's up to 1 year durability, great protection, super hydrophobic, awesome product. The customer actually requested this product because he didn't want to go for something semi-permanent like a 2, 3, 4, 5+ year coating. So this is a great option for him. We have our applicator pads right here, our towels to wipe off, and of course our handy inspection light to make sure the coating is leveled and there are no high spots. So without further ado, let's get this coating done. Alright guys, about how many hours in? Maybe about 6 hours or so. I think it came out great. Check it out, it's looking good. I gotta give it 24 hours to cure to the paint. The customer's gonna come by tomorrow and pick it up. I'm hoping he's gonna be a happy guy. I think he will be. And yeah, you saw my process on how I, from A to Z actually, how I apply ceramic coating. So always check me out. It's Clean Car Chris down here, Broward County, Florida. This is how we do it down here.